Good morning, grade 3. Today we will take a practice on lines. We took before the types of lines, and we also took the relation between the lines. We said the types of lines are line, line segment, ray. These are the types of lines. And the relation between lines, we said if we have two lines, they can be a pair of parallel lines, or intersecting lines, or perpendicular lines. Let us see our first question. Here, write the type of each: line, line segment, ray, or it's none of these. Here, the first shape we have, it has a start point, has end point, and it's straight. So what do we call this? We call it line segment, as we said before. This is line segment. Number 2, it has a start point and has no end point. What do we call this? We call it ray. It has a start, it has no end, and it's straight. Number 3, it has no start point and no end point. What do we call it? We call it line, because it's straight. Here, number 4, it has a start point, has end point, and it's straight. We call it, yes, line segment. This is line segment. Number 5, it has a start point, has no end point, and it's straight. So this is, yes, ray. Number 6, it has a start point, has end point, but it's curved. Is it a type of our lines? No. So this is none of these. It's not a line, not a line segment, and not ray, because it's curved. Let us practice also the relation between the lines. Here, the question says, write parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. We have pair of lines, and we will write if they are parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. The first two lines, the distance between them are the same. They are not cutting each other. So what do we call them? We call them, yes, parallel lines. Number 2, the two lines cut each other in one point, and they are not making a square corner, so we call them intersecting lines. We call them intersecting lines. Number 3, the two lines are cutting each other in one point, and they are making a square corner. What do we call them? We call them perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. They cut each other to make a square corner. Number 4, the two lines, they are not cutting each other, and the distance between them is always equal, so we call them parallel lines. Number 5, the two lines cut each other in one point, and they are not making a square corner. We call them intersecting lines. The last pair of lines, here they cut each other in one point and they are making a square corner, so we call them exactly perpendicular lines. So now we revised the types of lines, and we revised also the relation between the lines. I hope that you understood all what we took and you are able to answer your homework all by yourself. Thank you and goodbye.